we are running really late. I need to be in Clayton's shop in like 12 minutes, and oh, here we go. Gotta get that out of the way. We gotta get the Bugatti, we gotta get the Ferrari out of here. Oh, jeez. I don't know what happened this morning. I'm just running really slow today. We also have time for a couple. The neighbors aren't gonna like that. Also, quick side note, the 430 challenge is unwrapped. I know. It took me like way too long, but yeah, we gotta go. We gotta hustle. I know this is a chaotic start to the video, but ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. The reincarnation of the Purple Army starts right now. We need to be Clayton's shop in 25 minutes. It's a 45-minute drive. We have 1,000 horsepower. We got 4 turbos, but we're illegally registered, so we're kind of sort of late. The crazy thing about the Bugatti Veyron, it doesn't have a backup camera. Also, the venties look so good together. I don't know if you guys heard me in my haste, but we have 4 turbos. Oh, geez. Whoa. We got 4 turbos, and we have 4 cold, very cold tires. That didn't make sense, you know what I meant? 4 turbos, 4 tires that are very cold. I cannot face the camera that way because then I have to blur out the speedometer and, well, you guys don't want to see it. Oh my gosh. Wow. This car just loves the cold air. It's 38 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, we don't have a license plate, so it's one thing to get pulled over for no plates. It's another thing for no plates and go to jail speed. Anyways, cut. And we go bye-bye. Or should it be au revoir? I mean, I guess it probably should be au revoir. It just doesn't have the same ring to it. Also, it is a gorgeous day here in Utah. I want to spin the Bugatti on the snow right here, but well, I put it into a wall. I know today was absolute chaos, but we finally made it here to Summit Auto Lab in beautiful Park City, Utah. You guys know the drill. You knew this was gonna happen. Naturally, we're wrapping the car matte ice amethyst titanium from KPMF USA, the reincarnation of the Purple Army. But this time, it's gonna be even better because we got the Bugatti, we got a 6x6, and maybe a wide body. I don't know what to wrap the wide body Aventador, but it would make sense to be purple, don't you think? I'm definitely not going to be getting emotional. There's not going to be any tears shed in the next clip, but it's kind of sort of crazy. I met Clayton like 5 years ago at Park City Cars and Coffee. He wrapped my Gallardo in an underground parking garage. I actually helped in the process. Like I wrapped some of the doors, I tore the car apart, and now here we are wrapping the Bugatti Veyron. And when I say we, obviously I'm not touching the car whatsoever, except for I did open the hood, so. Oh, I just love this color. Whoa, bro. Like a wizard. What was that? Sometimes Clayton just comes out of nowhere and does the most amazing things. On his video, he was spinning it like a pizza. Also, if you guys have not subscribed to Clayton, check him out, link below. He's the best in the, oh my gosh, he's the best in the business. Sorry, I got kind of sort of, that's gonna be crazy.
It's such a perfect color.
Oh my goodness. I mean, I just love the color. I have issues, you guys know that. But I'm not wrong. I gotta admit, it's pretty refreshing, you might say, to have a little bit of purple in our lives. For the past like 4 years, we've always had at least one purple vehicle, and we do have the Gladiator, but it's being converted to the 6x6, and so it's nice to finally have one that I can actually drive. Moment of truth. It looks so cool. Honestly, we could leave it just like this. It's a tritone, a triple tone.
Triple tone. I think we should do the decklid and then leave it.
Okay.
Purple in the middle.
So we need to remove the decklid.
Yes.
So this whole rear decklid piece right here, like this whole clamshell actually pulls off of the car. There's a handful of bolts, this weather stripping right here. We're just gonna kind of sort of peel it up like that. It's like a Twizzler. That's what it's like. If you're a Bugatti executive, we have idiot number 1 and we have smart idiot number 2.
Yeah, that's about it. Yeah.
I don't know. And just like that, this is like a how-to channel. Check this out. So we got these 3 bolts over here. You just loosen them, maybe like a half turn each. There's 3 on that side, 3 on this side. Check this out, boys. Dun, dun, dun. I can see all the Bugatti executives, all the Bugatti engineers rolling their eyes right now. We're fine, like, we know what we're doing. We don't know what we're doing. Serious, Clayton, I had a cheese screw on my service record for $109. A cheese screw. I don't know what a cheese screw is, but it makes me oddly hungry. Anyways, I think I'm gonna go to Roadhouse tonight because it's Merlaker's birthday. Wait, what? Thank you. All right, so this is idiot and smart idiot. Remove rear deck lid, Bugatti Veyron. Take one. Come on, Husky.
My goodness.
We got Bugatti text in the house.
Oh, whoa! Too early to celebrate. We did it, boys! Check that out! I paid $31,000 to service the car. Clayton and I, mainly Clayton, we just do it ourselves. And just like that, it is a new day and a beautiful day here in the state of Utah. So we're back here at Summit Auto Lab. We got a fresh haircut. As you guys know, the Burlacker says, if you look good, you feel good, you execute good. So the Bugatti's right inside. Clayton sent me a bunch of Snapchats. The car looks absurd. I walk in and my dog, Oscar, how you doing, bud? How you doing, Floofy? The purple looks so good, boys. Check this out. Clayton has been working tirelessly all night, all day. Check it out. So we also installed paint protection film here on these front hips. This purple looks so good, Oscar. Yes, it does. We might have to make you purple. We have a lot of questions, a lot of things to figure out. These intakes, they're like a polished chrome, but they're kind of a brushed chrome. I don't know how to describe them. Should we leave them as is, or should we wrap them? If we wrapped them, should we do it in white? I don't even know if we can wrap these. They might get way, way too hot. Obviously, it matches the gas cap. It matches the door handles, but it's chrome on purple. I don't know. And then also the intake covers, should we leave those as is? Or should we do white or black or purple or orange? Orange? Orange. Purple and orange would be crazy. Orange wheels, that would all... Coming in a year or so, maybe. I'm gonna throw out a crazy, crazy idea. And a lot of you guys are gonna roll your eyes, and that's okay, because it's just an idea for the time being. Imagine a full purple and black Alcantara interior. I'm talking purple Alcantara here, maybe black leather, purple insert, black dash with a purple ring around it, purple center console, purple steering wheel. I know you guys are typing away. I have an issue, but it'd look cool, especially with the purple wrap. Maybe? Maybe not? Oscar and I are trying to figure out all sorts of things. That was a good yawn, bud. So I have the new updated Super Sport headlights on order. They're gonna be here. I have no idea, honestly. I have absolutely no idea whatsoever. I also have the updated Super Sport taillights. So I got the taillights and the headlights that could be here in a month. It could be 2 months, it could be 3 months. I really have no idea whatsoever. The exhaust, I'm still trying to figure out what exhaust to get, but soon. And when I say soon, you guys know the drill. I really have no idea. Do you guys remember when I said Clayton's the best in the business? Like I said, Clayton is the best in the business. Looks so good, dude. Jeez, like check this out. Look at all the intricacy of this thing. Wow. Oscar, you looking at this, bud?
Oscar, look at it.
Where are you? You're a super floof, aren't you? So my parents came to visit me a couple weeks ago, and my mom was like, could you put Oscar in the videos more? So this is for you, Mom. I don't know if that's a representation of my mom not liking watching me, or Oscar's just adorable. I'm pretty sure Oscar's adorable. This is a trade secret right now. We're getting exclusive, unprecedented, unparalleled access, you might say. Check it out. Steady hands, clear eyes forward. Plastic razor blade. Bada bing, bada boom. The more you know. Like I said, best in the business. Don't let it go to your head, bro. Okay, you already got the long wavy hair. You're the best rapper in the game. Kind of like Oscar, the cutest floof in the game, aren't you, buddy? Yes, you are. All right, guys, if I make this shot, you owe me 20 bucks. Oh, no way. Oh. So somebody actually wants to send me 20 bucks. If you're watching today's video and you did that, thank you. If you're also watching today's video, don't actually send me 20 bucks, but if you want to, then I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. It's a joke. It's a joke. But could you imagine if 2.8 million people sent me 20 bucks? We'd have a Veneno Roadster. Well, we've now reached the curious portion of the vlog in which Clayton and I need to figure out how to put that back there. So as you can stretch it out. Oh, goodness.
The black wing for sure, it's touching, and then...
Oh, there you go.
There we go, there we go, there we go.
There we go.
We're good. That was easy. No big deal.
You're in the clear.
Dude, we're gonna get a job.
I mean, I don't want to get ahead of myself, but you have to admit, boys, that looks amazing. The car looks so good. Clayton killing it, changing the game. This purple rear deck looks so cool. Yo, what do you guys think? Do we wrap these purple? Do we wrap them white? Or do we leave as is? I don't know. I truly don't know. That looks so sick. Whoa. Honestly, like the car could be done just like this, other than maybe the wing right there. But the silver and purple looks amazing. Oscar, buddy, Oscar, hey floof. Enjoy this view of the purple Bugatti, because the next time you see it, there's gonna be a lot more purple. Wow, that's so cool. Come on. There we go. Baby, come on! There's a lot of snow. Winter Apocalypse 2020 begins right now. We didn't have a spin class on the calendar, but we might have one on the freeway. This could be interesting. This is normal headlights. This is all the light bars. Oh my gosh. Okay, we gotta turn this off before we blind somebody. These light bars are crazy. One more time. Yo! And just like that, I'm excited to announce that I'm still alive. Winter Apocalypse 2020. Oh my goodness, that was crazy. Let's see, so next video, we're gonna be revealing the entire Bugatti Veyron. I know a lot of you guys are like, how could we do another car purple? It's just my brand, it's who I am, and it's also my favorite color, and I've worked so incredibly hard for that car. To go any other color would be wrong. So anyways, check it out. We got the Mustang Trio, and on that bombshell, today's video is effectively over. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like this one, be sure to smash the like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.